Congratulations on completing our CompTIA A Core 2 complete training course. The commitment and drive you have demonstrated to arrive at this milestone is truly commendable. Whether you started with no prior IT knowledge or you had some previous experience to draw upon, you've journeyed a great distance. Now you stand at the threshold of your next big step towards obtaining your CompTIA A+ certification. But before you go ahead and book your test, we have a new challenge lined up for you. We've assembled an exclusive practice exam on our channel, packed with 200+ questions meticulously designed to test your knowledge and simulate the format and difficulty of the actual exam. It's essential to remember that repetition is the key to mastery. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. Also, as you navigate through our practice exam, be sure to make notes of areas you're unsure about, and feel free to revisit any part of our training course as needed. So are you prepared for our practice exam? Great! Then click on the link to my left to get started. This CompTIA A+ Core 2 practice exam will challenge you, gauge your readiness, and move you one step closer to your certification goal. We wish you all the best, and here's to you, passing that exam.